Hello, welcome to Capital ETH, a smart and hassle-free way to invest in cryptocurrencies. Capital ETH allows you to invest automatically as per your plan and receive the tokens in your wallet without worrying anything and without manually processing the transaction. So creating a plan is super easy. You just need to select the tokens, select amount and frequency, and just relax. So installments would be processed by providers and you would receive the destination tokens in your wallet which you specify while creating the plan. So we have two actors here. One is the investor and one is the provider. So investor is any user who creates a plan and wishes to invest in tokens, and provider is the user who processes those plans by paying for gas and receives a processing fee in return. So I've logged in using my wallet here. I'll just switch over to dashboard. So this is my dashboard view. So in this dashboard, we can see the Ether price data, and I can see my active plans, and I can create a new plan as well. So while creating a new plan, there are two types of plan. So I can create a fixed plan and I can create a dynamic plan. So in fixed plan, uh, the condition is simple. Like after every n number of days, you invest that source token, which is a stable coin, and receive a destination token, which can be any of these tokens. And using dynamic plan, there's a condition. So dynamic plan uses the Ether price feed data, and you can set a percentage after like based on which your transaction will be processed. So if you want to buy Ether whenever the price of Ether is down by say 4%, so you can create a plan with setting all these parameters, and that plan would be processed whenever the price of Ether is down by 4%. So this is very helpful for users who would like to have long-term gains. So I've already created a few plans here. So as you can see, I have created a plan for investing 75 DAI when the price of Ether is down by 3% to buy the wrapped Ether. And so Capital ETH also allows the functionality to earn interest using Aave. So I haven't enabled that function here, and the plan type is dynamic. So we also, okay, yeah, so we have two dynamic plans here, and we can also create a fixed plan. So I can invest 100 DAI every 30 days to buy the link token, and I would like the link tokens to be deposited to my same address. So just go ahead and create this plan. Okay, so till the transaction is confirmed, let's take a look at the provider's dashboard. So this is the provider's view, wherein all the plans that are available for processing visible here. So these plans, these plans are visible on this dashboard only when the condition for that plan is satisfied. So right now we can see two plans here, and the only details that are visible to the provider is the installment amount and the fees that he would receive. So basically I can process this installment by paying the gas fee, and I would return the processing fee in return. So let's just go ahead and process one of the transactions. So I can uh, process this one here. So right now for Capital ETH, we are using Kyber Swap for Kyber network for swapping the tokens, and we are using Chainlink for getting the price feed data into a smart contract. So for dynamic plans, whenever the condition is satisfied, whenever the price of Ether is satisfying the condition which is created while specifying the plan. So only when that condition is satisfied, it will be available on the dashboard here. And we have this button here which can be used to update the price feed. in smart contract. So the transaction is confirmed. Let's check its status. Okay, I think I closed the view. Let's just go ahead and check the transaction. So this is the latest transaction 51 seconds ago. And as you can see, out of those 75 die, 74 die were used to buy wrapped ether, and one die was transferred as a processing fee. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.